This is where a queen's voice meets her purpose. Let's begin.
Alright, simulan natin tawagin ang ating unang finalists, ladies. We will see more of our other four candidates in a quick minute. For now, let's call in candidate number 32, Miss Maria
Barnaboles. You look very happy.
Yeah, thank you so much. I feel overwhelmed because I'm here for the third time around. And I really think that like you is a fan. And I'm proud of it. I know for sure that I matter in the first 2 years that you have seen me here on stage. Thank you. Kapuna ka.
Kitang-kita namin, we feel and we are so delighted by the fact that you have been here for 3 consecutive years, and every year, binibigyan mo namin ng rason to be just so proud of Miss International Queen Philippines. Maria, maraming salamat. Ngayon, tatanungin ka na namin, we have one common question that we will be asking you as well as our other four candidates. Bago natin simulan ang pagkakamang, alamin natin kung ang ating other candidates are already in and internationally approved. Maria, relax ka muna. Breathe in. Bakit gusto mo ma-shoutout?
She's really overwhelmed, ladies and gentlemen. Relax.
Shout out to my makeup artist, Nick Macayo, and my hairstylist, Jenny Dugre, and also to my fabulous gown, famous designer from Cebu, the Barbie gown style, Bobo Colors. To my family and friends, to my fellow Savannahs, my victory is your victory.
Alright. Applause is on. Okay. Before other candidates are already in the isolation room, we can now begin the question and answer portion. Listen carefully. This is the final question. Why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight, and why? I repeat. Why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight, and why? Your 4 to 5 seconds begins now.
I see someone who holds the options in life, and that's me. I don't see any reason to go win this international with Philippines. I'm here because this is family. We celebrate the anniversary. I want you to acknowledge our similarities, but really focus more on our differences and making sure that we understand each other. Here, let's view the world through the lens of acceptance and inclusion, and work together to create a vibrant society. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Maria Barnaboles, candidate number 32.
Maraming salamat, please. Step forward for a photo. There she is, once again, candidate number 33, Maria Barnaboles. One queen down. We have four more to go, 30. Pakinig ka ng pakinig yung gabi. Kaya talaga naman, pati ako, kinakabahan na. Ibang klase sa nag-closure.
Mahirap ano ka?
Hindi siya basta-basta. Yung common question ko na sa budget, may twist kung gagawin.
Are you guys ready for our next candidate? Candidate number 41.
Here she is, let's bring her out. Again, our candidates are placed in an isolated group. Para hindi nila nanginginig. Yung kami din, we're at sinasasagot na kami magdadala dito sa entablado na para sumasagot sila. So, ladies and gentlemen, we also would like to request for your cooperation. Habang ang ating kandidata ay sumasagot, maaaring ko lamang bigyan natin sila ng pagkakaibigan. Saka na tayo lumiyaw, magpalakpakan, pagkatapos ng loob at kanilang salaysay. Again, thank you so much. Here's 41 na big guy, Bautista.
Candidate number 41, the best in swimsuit winner. How does that feel?
I'm really happy because I I make the people proud because in barangay pageant, I am always the best in swimsuit, and here in the national pageant, I still make it. And this is all for you guys. Thank you. Sean?
Okay na, Mikay, we will give you 45 seconds to answer the question. And your question goes like this. Why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Once again, why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight?
I believe I don't deserve to win the crown, not just because I'm not good in Q&A portion, but I believe I am young, I am 20. But if ever I win, I know that I can still learn more together with the MIGPH organization. But then again, if this is not my path, there's another way. I can still complete that. Thank you.
Number 41, Nicole, please come forward. Please go forward. A resounding applause and cheer coming from our eyes here in Goa Arena. 2 candidates down, 3 more. Maraming salamat sa kanya, Mikay Bautista, candidate number 41. Alright, it's time we bring out our next finalist. Here she is.
Next, we have candidate number 7, Purple Pinoy.
If you're from a spot, I need to go to the leading up before we sliding so complicated. These are just
And the girls have answered the question with confidence and with authenticity. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 7.
Kirk Popion, everybody. Kirk, tonight is a night of beauty, elegance, and grace. And talaga namang pinakita mo sa aming lahat na you possess all these qualities. However, I also would like to know, ano ba yung dumadaan sa isip ng isang Kirk Popion being so voted, well-voted, or well-received by audiences members, by everybody? Ano yung dumadaan sa isip mo? Ikaw ba kinakabahan, naka-pressure, or does that fuel the fire to do even better?
Well, first of all, I feel so loved because a lot of people here are supporting me. Because of what you mentioned, and it makes me more motivated. And if you're going to ask me, how does Kirk feel? Well, I'm feeling a lot of emotions. I'm feeling hungry, I'm feeling nervous, and I'm feeling a lot of butterflies inside my stomach, evoking the sense of humility, especially my friends and my family are here supporting me. And I'm also excited because tonight, another life will be changed.
Kirk, are you ready for your final question? This is the final question. Why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Again, why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Your 45 seconds begins now.
Last night, we were given a chance, all the candidates, to vote who we want to win and who we want to lose. And unfortunately, I got 11 votes that candidates don't want me to win. Maybe because they saw something in me. And I don't win tonight. I believe it is a stepping stone for me to prepare and for me to learn. Because losing is not just about winning. It's not just about having the courage in you. Losing is about learning. And I think if I will not win tonight, maybe because God has other plans for me.
Thank you very much, candidate number 7. You can step forward for your final.
There's the episode again. 10 more to go. Iba na ba? Iba na ba talaga yung finalists natin? And it's also nice to see and hear these answers coming like this is genuinely from the heart.
Coming from the heart. It shows their real intention in joining the competition. So, importante rin talaga mag-ibig ng sagot sa katanungan ito. Next candidate is number 13.
Here she is, Anna Patricia Lorenzo-Diaz. Congratulations. One step closer to the crown. We will give you 45 seconds to answer your question. All right? Your question goes like this. Why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Once again, why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Your 45 seconds begins now.
If there's one reason why I don't deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown, it's just because I know that I am not able to compete at higher Thailand. It's just because I want to give the chance to others, especially for the young generation, just like the candidate number 48. She's now trying to build her dreams. If I'll be given a chance to give chance for her to build her dreams, I will lend my hand because you'll never go wrong by making or building a dreams that can benefit to others. Thank you so much.
That was candidate number 13, Anna Patricia Lorenzo-Diaz. Maraming salamat. Please step forward for your final vote. Thank you very much. Once again, candidate number 14, Anna Patricia Lorenzo-Diaz. We have one more queen to hear from everybody. Talaga namang pa-intense ang labanan tonight. And it is going to be absolutely up to the judges at this point to decide who will bring home that title.
And last but definitely not least, candidate number 35, Miss Michelle Bermudez. Michelle will give you 45 seconds to answer our final question. Are you ready? Here is the final question. Why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Again, why don't you deserve the Miss International Queen Philippines crown tonight? Your 45 seconds begins now.
I think I don't deserve the Miss International Queen crown tonight because there is a 43 hopeful candidates, ladies who wants to experience and be the voice of change. I saw a lot of candidates. They really become transformational. Maria Hardinales, I think she can represent the Philippines very well because she can face all the challenges and be the face of transformational for better and good. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 35. Please step forward for your final look.
Candidate number 35, that is Michelle Bermudez. Wow! Maria! Kumusta naman tayo lahat? Grabe yun, sobrang matulog ang laban na naman. Sure, for our